Hey Jeanette, how's it going? Come into my office now, take a seat.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm okay. Just been doing a lot of math with my teacher today.
Before we start, I just want to let you know that everything we say here is confidential, unless to yourself or somebody else. And so I just want to make sure you know that we're talking about this before, so I just want to make sure we're good again.
Okay.
And the reason I called you in is because I just wanted to see how you were doing.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I wanted to see how you were doing. Can you hear me?
I'm okay. I've been trying really hard to stay on top of my grades, especially in my language arts. But I can't stop thinking about my dad because he recently passed away. I'm telling you that no son.
Yeah, and I know that I just want to say that I'm sorry for your loss, and that's obviously the reason why I called you in, and I wanted to check in on you because you're actually, your grades are still up there, and I've talked to your teachers, and they say that you're still doing fairly well, and so I just wanted to double check just to make sure that there's nothing that I can do for you, or see if there's anything, if you wanted to talk to me about anything, this is a safe place for you to come in and talk and vent.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm really sad that I try to kind of hold it in. Like, I don't want anybody to know that I'm sad. So that's why I just try to stay focused and I do my work. But I'm going to be honest with you, but at night when I'm in my room alone, I do tend to cry on myself. And I just feel like I need somebody to talk to. So if you're available, I'd like to talk to you about what I'm feeling.
Yeah, of course, and given the circumstances, you are more than welcome to come see me if you ever feel like you need to talk to somebody, or maybe even, in class, all of your teachers are aware, your parents know that you talk to your teachers about what's happened, so they are more than willing to give you that space you need, especially to come and talk to me whenever you need it. My door's open, and just know that you can come and see me whenever you want.
Okay, well, I'm gonna take your word for it. I think next time I feel pretty sad, I'm gonna come visit. Thank you so much.
And if you wanna, me to give you any resources, I would love maybe over loss, then just let me know, or your parents, if they need anything, let me know. Just let me know, and I'll get that for you. Since it's the beginning of the week, I was hoping maybe you could come in and check on me, maybe towards, not check on me, but check in with me towards the end of the week, if that's okay with you.